Hey there, quick review on this two-piece bath mat set. I've reviewed a lot of different bath mats, especially with this microfiber design here. Now the nice thing about these is that they are extremely absorbent, very plush and soft. They feel really good to stand on. The downside with some of these mats is they don't put enough material on the mat and it's just not thick enough. This mat does have a lot denser microfiber pieces than a lot of the mats that I've used. Another thing that I like about this mat set is it does have a pattern here. You'll see those stripes going throughout. Makes it look a little bit nicer. But as you can see, very plush, a lot of material on here, feels really good. This stuff is extremely absorbent whenever it comes to water. Now, how does the back look on this? With a lot of standard door mats, like entry door mats, you have a complete rubber surface on the back that's not going to allow any water to get through. You are going to be able to get water through with this material, but it is actually quite grippy on the back as well. That's typical how bathroom mats are designed. Another thing you want to keep in mind with this set is that you are getting two different sizes here, so keep that in mind when you order. Overall, I think this is a nice set. It's similar to a lot of the other microfiber bath mats on the market. This one is extra plush. It's got a nice design and pattern on it. It's going to be very absorbent, machine washable on cold with tumble dry. So good overall value, nice price point. I'd recommend it if you're in the market for some bath mats.